Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by using an administrator account so commands can run cleanly, save your work, and close apps. Open Task Manager with Control plus Shift plus ESC, choose File Run New Task, check Create this task with administrative privileges, and type PowerShell. Once done, you'll have elevated access to Repair Core Start components. This avoids permission errors and speeds troubleshooting. Make sure to keep this window open. You'll run a sequence of scans and service, restarts from here, to restore start menu behavior. Now run integrity checks to repair system files. In the elevated PowerShell, execute sfc/scano and then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. These fix corrupt OS files that break start. Once scans finish, restart Windows Explorer from Task Manager to refresh the shell. If start still fails, re-register start packages. Run getapp-x package all users for adapt package disable development mode register $. Install location \appx manifest XML. This reinstalls. Finish by rebooting Windows to apply changes and confirm start menu, search, and live tiles work. If start remains unresponsive, create a temporary administrator account and sign in there to determine whether the issue is profile specific. A working start on the new account indicates profile corruption. If that fails, use System Restore to roll back recent changes or perform an in-place upgrade repair using Windows 10 installation media. One key troubleshooting tip: always check Event Viewer for errors under.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.